topic of this video is to describe the options in the File menu in Raptor. The first available selection is New. This is used when you need to create a part in Raptor. If you have to create a part from a drawing, this would be the choice you would use. Open is used to open parts from the database that is located locally on the PC or machine control. This is not how you import a part file that is located on the server. New multipart is used to create a multipart out of single parts. A multipart is one or more parts being made out of a stock length of material. The single parts that will be included in the multipart must be saved in the local database. Open multipart is for opening a multipart that has been saved into your local database. Save is for saving any changes that you have made to your parts. Save Settings allows you to save a copy of every setting in Raptor. This would allow you to make a backup of your settings or to save a copy so you could take it to another PC. Load Settings allows us to load the settings that were saved using the Save Settings option. Import PettyMat settings is only used if you are upgrading a machine from PettyMat to Raptor. If so, you can import the PettyMat machine config file to transfer the settings from PettyMat to Raptor. The selections under Import are used to import parts into Raptor. They can come from any of several different origins. The Import from Tekla function is for connecting Raptor directly to a Tekla detailing model. With this option, Raptor is actually going into the model and getting the information for each of the parts that are selected to be imported. For this to work, Raptor and Tekla must be running on the same PC, and you must open Tekla first. XML3D files are files that have previously been exported from Raptor. This is the standard Raptor file type. DSTV is the long-standing industry standard for the structural steel industry. This file type is created by most of the detailing softwares in the industry, and the file extension for these files will be either .nc or .nc1. The PettyMat option is for importing parts from our legacy programming software known as PettyMat. The SDS2 option is not for importing DSTVs that have been created in SDS2. It is for importing files from SDS2 with an .xml file extension. These files are just like a DSTV, except they also have a GUID, or Global Unique ID, for the part from the detailing model. DXF stands for Digital Exchange Format. This is the file type that you would use to import a file or a part from a CAD program. IDSTV Plus is primarily used to communicate with the different management softwares that are used in the structural steel industry. In this case, it will be used to import nested part information from those programs. IDSTV Plus files contain all of the information for each of the parts in the nested part or multipart, including the GUID or Global Unique ID for each of those parts. The Can-Am file import function was designed specifically for Can-Am. Import multipart. Multipart files are files that contain nested or batched parts on a stock length of material. These files may contain a single part or multiple parts. You will use the Import Multipart options to import multiparts into Raptor. XML3DM is a file that is a Raptor multipart. This is a multipart that was previously created within Raptor. XNC is for a specific software from Germany, and most customers will not need this option. DSTV Plus is used for communicating with the management softwares that were previously mentioned. A DSTV Plus file contains nested part information, much like an iDSTV Plus file does. The difference is that a DSTV Plus file does not contain the part GUID, or the Global Unique ID, as previously mentioned. The Import CNC function is an option that customers will not see. This option is used by tech support to help troubleshoot any issues you may be having. If you were experiencing what you believe to be an issue with running a part file, you can send the .mpf file to tech support, and they will be able to extract the CNC code, the part file, and all of the Raptor settings from where the CNC code was created. This will allow them to assist you with troubleshooting your issues. The last option we have here is Exit. And Exit is one of the ways you have to close Raptor. Of course, the other is to click the X in the top right corner of the screen. On a machine control, you will not see the Exit option, nor will you have the X in the corner. Once Raptor is opened, it will stay open until you shut down the control.